this video, I'm going to teach you how to use your phone as a touchpad with Samsung DeX. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have your Samsung device connected and you are using DeX, you can use it as a touchpad. In order to enable this functionality, simply swipe down from the top on your notifications. It should tell you that it is connected over DeX, but also the option to use your phone as a touchpad. Control Samsung DeX using your finger or S Pen. So all that you have to do is tap this notification here to start using it as a touchpad. Now, if you don't see this notification, this could be due to various reasons. First, check the settings related to Samsung DeX. So open the settings on your device, navigate to the DeX category, and make sure that the touchpad function or option is enabled. Next, restart your phone or restart Samsung DeX. This could be a temporary issue, so by restarting, it can go away. And then try reconnecting them together with the other device. With all of this done, you should see the notification allowing you to use it. When you tap on that notification, as long as the phone remains connected, like this, the whole screen will become a touchpad. So now you can use your finger or a stylus to navigate through. You can use all sorts of actions. So for example, tapping with two fingers will open the options or content menu like you see here. So you have all the options. It's essentially a right click. You can pinch in or out to zoom, so use both fingers, and so on. It is easy to navigate and it will remain in a usable touchpad state. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.